Welcome to English Digital. Today we're going to look at as to how we can connect the WordPress dashboard to Google products directly. So we're going to use a plugin called G-Site. I've already installed this plugin, so it's installed, but I will run through the steps of how to install it and show its benefits. Okay, so once you log into the WordPress dashboard, choose plugins and add new. And once you do that, you come into the page which shows the plugin directory, and in the search plugins option you type Google Site Kit, and once you do that you will get this first plugin option. I already installed and activated, so it's active. If it's not, you get the install option here. You click install and you activate it. Okay, and check for any counterfeit, so make sure it's from Google, and it has about 2 million installations, and check if it's compatible with the WordPress version, and check if there are regular updates as well. There will be updates, I can assure you that, but if you are not updated your WordPress to the latest versions, please do update it through your hosting. Only then this plugin will be compatible. So you want to make sure that not just this plugin, any plugin is compatible with your WordPress version, so you need to update your WordPress version, and you need to keep updating it when a new update is released to get the best features in terms of performance. Okay, so once you do that, then we move on to installing the plugin and automatically get installed. So once the plugin is installed, let us quickly look at its features. So here we're going to look at the settings first. So you click the settings button tab. You can do it from the plugin option here, install plugin. So you can, once you install the plugin, you get on the dashboard of WordPress as well. So already I've connected these services here, and these are the more to connect services. So if you're not connected services, you will see it as this to be connected. So let's just run through as to the connected services. Now if you already set up Search Console and you're looking to connect it, you can directly connect it through this option here. You get Search Console, you can get the connected option, you get the connect option, you can just set it up and connect it. And if you're not installed Search Console on your WordPress website, you should do that as well. So I'll have a separate video on that, how to verify the text record with the domain, and how to get Search Console verified. It's very important to list your site through Search Console. And Google Analytics, even if you're not set it up through this plugin, you can set it up easily automatically. Google Analytics will guide you through the steps to set it up, and you can set up all the Google Analytics properties through this plugin. And the reason I'm showing you this is once you go to the dashboard also, you can just see everything, all these performances in one area rather than logging to different websites, and it can be time consuming. So this is a very easy process, and there are additional benefits as well, which I will come at, especially the AdSense feature. So we look at the page insights, that's also connected, and the tag manager. And for example, if you are looking to monetize your website, there's a requirement that you paste the AdSense codes correctly on the WordPress themes and the header, or especially the header areas on every page, and not many people know to do that. So if you use this plugin, and let's say if your WordPress is all set to go with all the appropriate blogs and you have the content and the traffic, you can directly set up AdSense from here. And once you do that, automatically Google will install the AdSense codes. Google will install all the AdSense codes on the relevant pages. You don't have to do anything. It's automatically set up, and it goes for approval. So it's very easy, and it does it correctly. That's very important. So that part Google will take care of. So you don't have to worry about setting up the AdSense codes manually. So if your website is all good with the content, then you should get the approval, and you can set up the optimize option as well. And if Google, whenever they add new products, you get it here, so you can connect it directly through this plugin to your WordPress website. Okay, so you get the admin settings here, and once you connect all these services, they'll start appearing in the dashboard. Okay, so you get the tab options here, you get the traffic, the content, speed, and monetization. You can view the stats for 7, 14, or even 90 days. So let's just look at the 9 days. It's a new website, not the traffic, but all this you can view it in the WordPress dashboard, and it's very accurate compared to all the other WordPress plugins, which again, anyways, it requires you to connect to the Google products. So why not use a Google product directly where there's no bias at all? Okay, it's a very lightweight plugin. It doesn't slow down your website either. So if you look at this area, it's a snapshot of the analytics dashboard. You can quickly see where the traffic is coming from, to which location the traffic is coming from. See, most of the time from US. You can see on which device the traffic coming from. So the most vital stats for bloggers, for e-commerce site owners, for businesses. You can directly view it from this dashboard. And if you scroll down further, you can get the search console. And if you want to see the analytics in detail, you can just click this link there and below this here, and you can visit the analytics website and check all of that. So looking at the search console here, same thing, you click the search console and go to the search console in detail report, so you can get a snapshot from here, the clicks, impressions, all of that. The graph changes, you can see. So you can get a nutshell and a quick overview in a nutshell can be obtained from this dashboard, and the keyword searches also tend to appear there, and how the content is doing, which content is doing well, also appears in the website in this dashboard. So you can check the speeds as well. All this data is available, mobile, all of that. So in one place, you don't have to log into multiple websites. Just you can just view how your website is performing and what technical SEO errors you need to correct. Everything can be done through this dashboard. If you want to in-depth review or analysis of this is page speeds, page speed insights, you can click this link below, which for which you can get the full details. So that's how it runs. We have AdSense connected, all your earnings will show here as well. So it's a very useful plugin for all WordPress users, bloggers, e-commerce sites, and any sort of business sites. So you should install this plugin, start using it, and connect it to WordPress. So if you have any doubts, kindly leave in the comments. I will be more than happy to answer. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and if you need any related videos to WordPress, I'm also trying to come up whenever I see a useful video which I could share with the public. I'm creating it. So if you need any videos which you would like me to make, please do leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to make and share it with you. Okay, so until next time, thank you and bye bye from English Digital.